Hi, I'm Efren Toledo, principal of OA Thorp Scholastic Academy, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to our open house for the 2024-2025 school year. At Thorp, we've been providing over 100 years of meaningful, memorable moments in learning, and we're excited to have you with us. The theme for the year this year is dynamically different. Every year we have a theme, and it helps focus what our efforts are going to be for the rest of the year. This year, we are focusing on differentiated instruction, making sure that all children are challenged at their instructional level, and making sure that the school year that they have is something that they can reflect on and realize that it's a completely unique experience, regardless what grade they are in. So we're excited to have you join us on this dynamically different school year. I want to start off by mentioning the Thorp commitment. We take this very seriously. Thorp Academy is a magnet school, which means that we do not have any students that are assigned to us. Every single one of our students comes here because word of mouth and reputation, and we value that very highly. The Thorp commitment says, Thorp Scholastic Academy exists because you believe in us. Our parents and students trust that the learning experiences at Thorp will be innovative, engaging, and relevant in preparing our students for a successful future. Our administration, faculty, and staff value your trust, and we are committed to providing your children with experiences and opportunities that will allow them to be today's learners and tomorrow's leaders.
One of our secrets to success is our involved families. At Thorp, we have many amazing parent organizations for you to join. The first is Friends of Thorp. They meet on the first Wednesday of the month. At different locations. They come up with different fundraising opportunities and ways to help our school and come up with amazing events for our school. The OA Thorp PTA meets on Wednesdays monthly, alternating between in-person and virtual visits in the evening. The in-person visits are directly after school. They help with major fundraising things like our book fair, and also for our Winter Wiggle, amazing dance for our primary students, and other outreach programs as well. And they are both available for you to join. I also want to highlight some other amazing organizations that happen through our LSC or local school council. The Communications Committee meets monthly on Mondays and helps with communication protocols between all stakeholders. And our Bilingual Advisory Committee, or BAC, meets monthly as well for parents for our English language learner students. I encourage everyone to reach out to these organizations, and please email thorpadmin@cps.edu if you need any contact information.
Second secret to our success is the 5 C's. We are a P21, a partnership for 21st century learning model school. We're one of the 3 schools in Illinois that have achieved this honor. The P21 Foundation is a partnership between educational institutions as well as business partners such as Microsoft, and we focus on schools that are innovative and on the cutting edge of instruction. We do all of our learning, and we try to incorporate critical thinking, collaboration, communication, creativity, and caring in every assessment that we give our students. And you'll see those 5 C's throughout the year, and we'll refer to them all the time.
At Thorp, we focus on problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a student-centered approach that allows students to learn through the experience of solving an open-ended, real-world problem. Every month, we have an assembly in which we showcase different grade levels. We also have 1 musical per semester, as well as an incredible International Day performances.
Another secret to success is our extraordinary teachers. Most of our teachers are dual endorsed, whether it be in special education, ELL bilingual education, or gifted education to further support our students. The average tenure of our teachers is 19 years, and we expect our teachers, whatever they give our students, to try in the classroom. So here you see in the pictures, them trying out problem solving and team problem solving and rules and rubrics together to further support our students. And they all work together on co-planning between grade levels in order to accommodate all students and their individual needs. We have teachers departmentalized in grades 2nd through 8th grade. So they're both teaching what they love and able to meet all the students' needs.
Another secret to our success are student performances. Whether it be on stage or in the classroom, students are expected to perform and present and demonstrate their understanding. One of my highlights as principal is seeing how they grow from year to year, seeing our musical theater program, noticing how students develop as violin players and guitarists from kindergarten all the way through 8th grade. The arts are very important to us, but the performance is more than just fine arts. It's also, can students communicate their ideas? Can they think critically? And most importantly, can they share what they've learned with others? And this is one of the most important things about Thorp. We want to make sure that our learning is relevant and that it means something to our students. That's why it's important to organize our learning around interesting problems and having kids know that they can solve problems together and make sure that they're able to again convey their ideas and their thoughts to others. One more secret to our success, just happy students. It's really important for us to do well academically, but just as much as we need to do well academically, our students also have to feel that they belong and that they are happy to be here. It's one of my greatest honors to hear from the students when they come back from school, or excuse me, from the summer, saying, Mr. Toledo, I miss school so much. I couldn't wait for it to start. And that happens over and over again as they walk in. So we are very, very excited to have your child here with us. And we want to make sure that not only are they learning, but that they also feel that they belong. Here are some important people and numbers you need to know. Our clerks, Ms. Lamani and Ms. Morel, they are wonderful resources for general questions. You can reach us at 773-534-3640. If you're requesting a teacher conference, please feel free to call us at 312-600-7112, or you can text us. Maria Sanabria is our tech coordinator and business operations person. You can reach her again by reaching the main office, 773-534-3640. And if you are getting a call about a child being late, you can reach out to our security desk between 8 a.m. and 1:30. And the phone number there is 773-534-3843. Melvina Masonet is our case manager for those students who have special education needs, and you can reach out to her directly at 773-534-3642. If there are urgent matters, you can always text us 312-600-7112, or you can email us at thorpadmin@cps.edu. But please remember when emailing us to allow for 48 hours for any response to email. We normally do it a lot sooner, but we just want to make sure that you're being listened to and that your concerns are being addressed. If you do not receive a response within 48 hours, please feel free to text us. Thank you so much again for joining us tonight. And right around this time, September 11th, we do want to make a special mention of our first responders. And we just want to thank those families who are in the military, as well as our firefighters, police officers, nurses, doctors, basically all of those who give up your time to help take care of us. We appreciate you all. Thank you.